Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to add the Ask Me a Question sticker to your Instagram story. It's super easy, and it's a great way to connect with your followers, so stay with me. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then swipe right from the homepage or tap your profile picture to open the story camera. Here, you can either take a new photo, record a short video, or upload something from your gallery. After you've got your background ready, look at the top and tap on the sticker icon. It looks like a little smiley face. Now scroll through the sticker options until you find the one that says questions. Tap on it. You'll see it lets you type a custom message. You can leave it as Ask Me a Question, or you can make it more personal, like ask me anything about my day or what's your favorite hobby? Just get creative, because an interesting question can get you more fun answers. Once you've typed your message, you can move the sticker around, resize it with 2 fingers, and place it wherever you want on your story. When you're happy with how it looks, simply tap your story to post it. And that's it. Now your followers can send you questions directly, and you can reply to them through your stories. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.